Hi kindergartners, it's Miss Kelly. Welcome to your Handwriting Without Tears activity. This week we are learning on our letters S, A, I, T, and J. All right, I want for you to go grab a piece of paper or a whiteboard or your writing journal and a pencil. So you need a piece of paper and something to write with, okay? Miss Kelly has a whiteboard, so I'm going to use my whiteboard. So go get a piece of paper and a pencil. Remember, you can always pause the video. If you pause the video, you tap your iPad, and then you should get a button that looks like this. That means pause, okay? So you can always pause your video and then play it again, and then you can stop whenever you need more time. Okay, I'm going to give you a few seconds to go get your piece of paper and your pencil. Okay, if you need more time, you can press the pause button, okay? All right, this is how we do our letter S, like shell. Shell starts with an S. So we have a little curve and then another little curve. So if you know how to do a C, you can make an S. I'll show you. We have our little curve or a C. And another little curve. That's our S. Just like that. S. Okay, I'll show you how to draw it. To write your S, you're going to make a little curve or a C, and then another little curve. S. Okay, I want for you to practice 3 times writing your S. I will do the first 2 with you, okay? So let's do it again. To do your S, you make a little curve or a C, and then another little curve going the other way. S. I want you to practice 2 more times, and Miss Kelly is going to practice 2, okay? That's our letter S. Good practicing, my friends. The next letter we're going to practice is our A. This is an uppercase A or a capital A. To do our capital or our uppercase A, we need 1 big line, 2 big lines, and then a little line. So you're going to almost make a triangle. Big line, another big line, and a little line. That's our A. Only it should be kind of pointy at the top, just like that, like a triangle. That's a capital A. Now we're going to write our capital A. So you're going to start at the top. Big line. Another big line. And a little line across. That's our A for alligator. Alligator. Alligator starts with an A. So you're going to do start at the top. Big line, little line. Okay, we're going to do 3 more. Miss Kelly will practice the first one with you, okay? Start at the top. Diagonal big line. Big line. Little line across. Good. I want you to do 2 more by yourself, and I'm going to practice mine too. Ready? Go. A. Good job, my friends. If you need more time to practice, you can press the pause video. Okay, now we're going to do our I. This is an uppercase or a capital I. So we start at the top, do a big line down, little line across on the top, little line across on the bottom. This is our I. Big line, little line on the top, little line on the bottom. Let's make it with our wooden blocks. Big line, little line on the top, little line on the bottom. That's our capital I. Okay, now we're going to practice writing our capital I. So we start at the top. Big line down. Little line across. Hey, that's a T. If we add another little line, it becomes our I. All right, let's practice another one. Start at the top, big line down, little line across on the top, little line across on the bottom. I want you to practice 2 more by yourself, and Miss Kelly will do them too. Practice by yourself. I. That's our letter I. Like iguana. Iguana. Iguana starts with I. Our next letter is T. T for turtle. Turtle. There are 2 T's in turtle. Turtle. All right. This is almost like our capital I. So for a capital T, you're going to start at the top, do a big line down, and a little line across. Start at the top, big line down, little line across. Start at the top, big line down, little line across at the top. Our capital T. Okay, let's practice writing our capital T. Start at the top, big line down, little line across on the top. Start at the top, big line across on the top. T. Okay, I want you to practice 2 more by yourself. Miss Kelly will do hers too. T for turtle. Good. Okay, our next letter we're going to practice is J. J for jet. Let's move this so you can see it. J for jet. Jet. A jet is just another word for an airplane. So there are different kinds of airplanes. This one is called a jet. So to do our J, we start at the top, we come down and curve up, and then a little line across. Start at the top, go down, curve it, and then you do a little line across at the top. That's our J. Let's practice writing it. This one's a little tricky. Start at the top, come down, big line down, and then at the bottom right here, you're going to curve it like this. Ready? Curve it up. Almost like a little tail. Then you're going to do a little line at the top. J for jet. I'll practice another one with you. Start at the top, come down, curve it up like a tail, little line across. Good. I want for you to practice 2 more by yourself, and I'll practice mine with you, okay? Practice by yourself. J, like a jet. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for doing handwriting today with Miss Kelly. I hope you guys got lots of practice in. I want you guys to keep practicing. There are lots of other handwriting activities you can choose off the menu for this week, so keep practicing and show me all of your hard work that you've been doing. All right, kindergartners, see you next time.